TD Bank's CreditView is a feature within their mobile app that allows you to access your credit score and report directly from Equifax. It helps you monitor your credit health, understand factors affecting your score, and provides personalized tips for improvement. It's designed for convenient credit monitoring directly within your banking app. CreditView is free for TD credit card holders. Other TD account holders can access CreditView for a monthly fee of $5.99. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. You must consent to Equifax data sharing to use the service. First, download the TD app from your App Store and log in with your account credentials. Next, open the app and find the Credit or Financial Wellness tab in the menu. Then, select the CreditView option from the available features. Complete the identity verification process using security questions or your TD card details. Finally, provide consent for Equifax data sharing and pay any applicable fees if required. The setup process is a one-time task and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Credit scores from Equifax range from 300 to 900. These scores represent your creditworthiness based on your financial history. Key factors influencing your score include payment history at 35%, credit utilization at 30%, length of credit history at 15%, new credit at 10%, and credit mix at 10%. CreditView displays your Equifax score, and it's advised to also check TransUnion for a complete picture. Different credit bureaus may have slightly different scores. Check your score monthly to detect issues early. Understand the report breakdown to identify red flags like high credit utilization over 30%. Take advantage of personalized tips provided by TD within the app. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. CreditView offers a convenient and cost-effective way to monitor your credit compared to standalone services like Credit Karma. Unlike separate apps that require subscriptions, CreditView is often free for TD credit card holders and integrates directly into the TD Bank app. The integration with TD's budgeting tools allows you to simulate how life events might impact your credit score. You can model scenarios like buying a home or taking on new debt, seeing potential score changes in real time within the app. It also enhances financial literacy through easy access to your credit information and educational tools. CreditView breaks down score factors and provides tips, helping users understand payment history, credit utilization, and other elements that affect their credit health. Sarah, a TD customer, used CreditView to improve her credit score from 650 to 750 in 6 months. By following the app's tips to lower credit utilization and dispute errors, she saved $200 per month on interest. Another user detected fraud via CreditView alerts, preventing $10,000 in losses. The future of credit monitoring looks promising, with increasing AI integration. CreditView will offer predictive insights and virtual credit coaching to help users make better financial decisions. Regulatory changes will continue to drive greater transparency in credit reporting, making it easier for consumers to access and understand their data. Future updates may include blockchain integration for more secure and decentralized credit sharing between institutions. TD aims to expand CreditView globally, including offering hybrid scores that combine data from both Equifax and TransUnion for a more complete picture.